Good morning, students. Today we are revising how to do practical assessment of spreadsheet software. In general practical assessment, there are the basic steps that we need to know in the Microsoft Excel to apply in our basic daily life needs while entering data in the computer. Excel helps to calculate, Excel helps to analyze, and Excel also helps to visualize the data very interestingly. So let us start solving step by step from the assessment practice paper, and let us see how these features of Excel can enhance our data entry in the computer. So on my left side there is a question paper and right side there is a spreadsheet which I have opened. I have opened a workbook and right now I am in a sheet 1 of this workbook. So when I open this workbook, right now it is showing the default name of the sheet is sheet 1. Let's see what is the first instruction. First instruction is using the spreadsheet package, create a workbook titled Mars Expedition 2026. It means they want I should save my workbook with the name Mars Expedition 2026. So I just copy it from this PDF or the Word document, whatever it is, and I go to File and I go to Save, and then I choose any location wherever I want to save. Suppose I want to save at the desktop, and I give the name which is given to my workbook as Mars Expedition 2026. So there is a always basic skill that you should know how to save a workbook with the given name, and this name is visible on the title bar. Okay, so we have created a workbook and we have saved it with the name Mars Expedition 2000. So now let's move to the step two. Step two is logistic module alpha, which is of 4 marks. So what they are asking in this, create a sheet named module alpha and enter the following supply data. So we have to create a sheet called module alpha. See, right now we are in a workbook. Now they are giving sheet name. So the default sheet name is sheet 1, which I need to change with module alpha. So I'm changing sheet name here, module alpha. Okay. So remember in the name, we are not allowed to use quotes or any special symbol. So that's why we can save it with the name module alpha. Okay. Up inside this module alpha, we have to apply basic formattings. Okay. What is the basic formatting? The entire sheet is a Vardhana font family. Clear? Okay, so what I do, I select all, to control A. So selecting the all is control A, and then I go to the font part. If some options are not visible, that's why I have opened it in a maximize screen. So I have to go to Vardhana font. So here is Vardhana. Maybe Vardhana is not available in your computer, means you should know how to change the font together. That is the basic thing. And they have not mentioned any particular size. Okay, so I have applied the entire Excel sheet will be typed in Vardhana font. So wherever you click in cell, only Vardhana font will appear. Okay, now the next question is row 1. In the first row, they are asking merge the cells from A1 to E1. So let me merge the cell from cell A1 to E1. So I will select it and then I will go to the merge option. So merge is here. And after that, they're asking in the merge cell, fill the dark blue color and set the font size 16 and font color to white. Okay, so these are the instructions. Fill the dark blue color. Okay, so let me fill the dark blue color in this. So I am going here and I'm choosing my dark blue color. This is the dark blue color. Then they're expecting I have to set the font size to 16, bold and font color to white. Okay, so whatever I select this area, font size is 16 and font color is white. So this is a font color and I set it fine. So if I write anything, it will become white here. Okay. and it will be a bold font also. So I selected bold also. Now in row 2, they want fill cell A2 to E2 with orange colors. Okay, but this is not a merge thing. They are telling in the heading part, like if I am not wrong, these heading parts of the table they want should be filled with orange color, bold. Okay, so I just select this area A2 to E2. I fill with orange color. Probably this is the orange. And next thing that they want is they should be bold. Yeah, so this is a bold. See, we have to read very carefully and we have to do each task. It's very easy. Now what they want, A3 to E7 filled with light gray color. Okay, in A3 to E7. So I am in A3 till E7. Okay, this area they want filled with light gray color. So let me take a very light gray color. Okay, I have taken. Now they want font size should be 11 in this area. So this area, the gray area, the font size should be 11, which is by default 11 right now. And border, yes, apply a thick black outer border, thin internal grid lines to all data cells. So outer border they want thick and inline border they want thin. This is the instruction if you read it carefully. Outer border they want thick and inside internal border they want thin. So how to do this? Let's go here. First we work on the outside border, and in outside border they want thick outside border, right? So I just select it. Thick outside border is applied. Now I have to apply also inside border, right? Which has to be thin. Which has to be thin. So I select all border. But when you apply the all border, automatically the outside thick border will go. So please redo the thick border step. So thick border outside is required to be applied after you do inside border. Okay. So thick border is applied. Now what is the next thing? We have done till this color filling of the border. Now the next thing that they want is we have to type this data. So see, I am able to copy it here and I'm just going to paste it. So I have pasted, but when I have pasted, obviously my that orange color and everything has gone. So that I have to be taken care of. Or there is a way that you can only paste, this option. Can you see which paste option I have applied? Paste, and this is called paste spatial. Okay. So I have applied this. Up now you can see some data is going out. So what I will do in this situation, obviously I will apply wrap text. So I select this cell which is giving this row number 3, sorry, row number 2, where the data is going out, and I apply wrap text. This is wrap text, right? Now you can see, yeah, it's visible. What I feel is till now they have not given any column width. Since they have not given any column width, so what is my job is at least words should be readable. So I just double click here. So resource ID, because it should be readable. No word should be cut. Okay. Then here is no problem. Squared A. This is quantity B. Okay. So I got this data, which is working right now. Next thing to see is create a second sheet named module beta. Okay, I have to create a second sheet in the same workbook after the module alpha. This is module beta, and enter the same resource ID and categories. Okay, so where the best thing is, let me just duplicate it. Always duplication can save time. So right click on the sheet, go to move or copy, click create a copy, and just copy is created, and I just rename it. I am here and I'm renaming it as beta. Okay, let me type in caps beta. Yeah. So I have created a copy and quickly my this. But I think they need some different data in this. But use different quantity for squared A and squared B. But use different quantities for squared A and B. So what I am feeling here is I think one small instruction is missing, that each quantity is increased by 10. So whatever the value we have, that each quantity and the value is increased by 10 in the module beta. So let me do this. Rest thing will remain same. 45 plus 10 become 55. So I just need to do the 10 plus 10 become 20. So each value is just doubled. Okay. Not doubled exactly, increased by 10. So this become 90. This become 25. Now this become 130. This become 310. It is increased by 10. So 50 becomes 60. 25 become 35. See, I am just changing data. My cursor is here right now. Okay, and this is 50. Now 85 become 95. Each data is just increased by 10. This becomes 70, and here 30, and the last one is 45. So my sheet 2 is also ready. Sheet 1 is also ready. Now let's see what is the instruction. See, I have seen that they are asking the screenshot to be pasted in evidence file. Means they will ask to create one blank Word document, and in this blank Word document, they will be requesting you to put the screenshot of both the sheets. So I just take a screenshot of module alpha. So I'm just taking, this is module alpha, I'm pasting here, and I will write this is module alpha, even though it is visible in a screenshot, right? Because and second is module beta. So print stream. So I have pasted module beta also, module beta. Okay. So both the species have been created and have been pasted in this window. Okay. Now, next is the instruction which I can see is master inventory, the step 4. Master inventory consolidation. Okay. So they are asking create a third sheet named as mission total. We have to create a third sheet as mission total. Oh my God. Third sheet name is mission total. Mission underscore total. Okay, I have created third sheet right now, which is empty, and use the data consolidation tool to calculate the sum of the quantities for both of squared A and squared B. Means we have to add the quantity which are given in previous two sheets. Like you can see, module alpha has some squared A, squared B. Same way, module beta has some squared A and squared B. And this we have to sum. Okay. So what we need to do in this situation, remember, first paste this layout. Exactly. Okay. So you can paste this layout, and because it has to be same, and here we just want to delete this data because the data will come automatically with help of data consolidation. They want to do sum of squared A and sum of squared B. So let me also write here sum of squared A sum of squared A, and here I write sum of squared B. Okay, so I am on sheet number 3, that is called mission total. And in mission total, I have to paste, means I have to add data of both with help of data consolidation. Remember, we cannot do normal total because they are mentioning we have to use consolidate tool, and they want the screenshot consolidate tool in our evidence file, which is a Word document. Okay. So what I do, I am in mission total, means third sheet, and I go and select the area where I want sum. So while doing data consolidation, we always select the resultant area where we want to show the result. Okay, that area needs to be selected first. Then we go to data tab, which is on the top of the menu. Data tab. There is an option called consolidate. Can you see consolidate? In mine, yes, it is here. In my, this is available with this icon name actually. You can see carefully. But if you maximize your screen, you can find this console. It's just data consolidation only. Only since I'm using MS Office 2021, so here only icon is given, name is not given. But in the older version, even name is visible. Data consolidation. So I just click on data consolidation, and my consolidation window opens. So this type of data consolidation window will appear. They are asking to sum this. So I have used the function sum. Since they are asking sum, if they are asking something else, then I will change my function. Okay. I go to reference. I have to ensure this area is empty. Because if this area is not empty, it means I have added some unnecessary data. So I have to be very sure that this area, all references empty in beginning. Okay, when you are doing. So go to reference, which is here. Click your cursor is blinking. Now go to sheet A, that is alpha sheet. Select the quantity of A and B. So I've selected the quantity of A and B. You can see here address of selected cell is coming. So from the first sheet, I have selected the data area that has to be added. So click add. Now I have to select data of beta sheet. So I go to beta sheet, and in beta sheet, computer Excel is very smart. It automatically select that also, but you have to select. You have to ensure that you are there and you are selecting. So in the beta sheet also, I have only selected the data of squared A and squared B because these are the raw data, and in third sheet we want their sum. So this difference, now I will click on add button. So if you observe carefully, my all reference sheet has two addresses. The addresses of the data from the sheet alpha and addresses of data from sheet beta. And click OK. And I have done OK, and you can see automatically in third sheet, the consolidated data means automatic sum of previous two sheet is visible. So this is called data consolidation. Okay, data consolidation. So this is a way that you always create some another sheet. You create for copy the format of previous sheets, and then just you do little changes and you apply data consolidation with help of data tab. Okay, I hope this data consolidation is achieved. Now the next step to do in the assessment practice here is data organization. Okay, so data organization. So in this data organization, they want me to do something related to sorting. They want I should arrange in descending order and according to the resource category. So what is the resource actually according to this? So what I do, I will select this data Remember, I will not selected the area which is not having any data. So I'm not selecting the area or any part which is not having data. I selected only the data in the consolidated sheet. Now I go to data tab, and in data tab, there is a sort option. I click on sort, and they are asking sorting has to be done by resource category. So choose resource category. They want Z to A order, means descending order. So please use Z to A. Ensure cell values are selected. These are the three basics. What the category should be shown first, then what should be the order, Z to A. These are the basics. So click OK. Oh wow, my entire final consolidated sheet data is changed as per the instructions. Okay, it's sorted according to the resource category. So now I have solar panel on the top because letter S comes at last. Then I have letter O, oxygen tank. Then I have a letter M, medical tank. So this is the way that I can say yes, my data is sorted as per the instruction. Now let me see the next instruction. They are asking apply a filter to mission total records to show only those resources where the total quantity of squared A is greater than 100 and less than 600. Oh, so we have to apply a filter where for the squared A, the quantity is between 100 and 600. Okay, greater than 100 and less than 600. So these are the two conditions. So let me do this. Remember, I have to do in squared A. So I go here, I select this, I go to data, I go to filter. Okay, after selecting this filter option, when you click, automatically this drop down arrow is coming. They want something to be achieved on number filter because these are the numerical values. So number filter will appear. They're saying greater than. What is the greater than value? Greater than value in the question paper is greater than 100 and less than 600. So uh, greater than 100 and here and less than 600. So you have to be very careful what you are writing for the greater than and what you are writing is less than. Okay. Click OK. So you can see only three records are visible, which are applicable for greater than and 600. Acha, see, I tell you, people do mistake here. You can see the 60 is also coming. Obviously, because while applying filter, you should select the heading also. So that this I have shown intentionally to show you that what mistake children does. So 60 should not be as per the condition because 60 is not between 100 and 600. So actually, while doing filter in the beginning stage, we should always select heading part. So just click filter again, filter will go away. So see, you can see I have selected only data. No, whenever you apply filter, select the heading also. See, now I am selecting heading also. So heading is selected. This precaution we have to take that we have to select heading also and data also. So heading is selected. Then I go to filter. So now my arrow sign should come over the heading. Arrow sign should not come over the data. Arrow sign always should come over the heading. And here I will apply the same thing. Greater than 100, less than 600, and now it will work well. You can see I have only two records, no 60 or nothing. Clear what the precaution is while applying filter? Select the heading cell of the column also. Clear? Then automatically your filter will come over it. So this is filtration is done. Now after doing filter, they want me to create visual analysis. And visual analysis, what I understand is they want me to create some chart or maybe some, visuals from it. Let's see what they want me to do. They want I should create a 3D stacked column chart. So 3D stacked column chart of this data. Okay, so I select this data first. After selecting this, I will go to insert and chart, insert chart, and they want 3D column cluster. I don't know what the name is coming. Stack. This is, I want this one. They want stack one also. So I've taken stack one. Yeah. As per the instruction, whatever is given in paper. Now this is a stack chart. They want gradient fill. Oh my God. Gradient fill with blue, silver, and black color. So blue, silver, and black color. So I am in this area. I will right click, format chart area option, format chart area. Have to fill gradient. So gradient is here. I have to be very careful. In gradient, they want total three colors: blue, silver, black. Okay. Linear gradient. So linear, yes, blue, silver, black. So I just click over it. Blue. For silver, I just take any random, lowest white color. And next color which they have asked is black. Blue, silver, black. So third one is black. So like this, I have selected this color, blue, silver, and black. And now they are asking typography. Okay. So what is a typography? Font size is 11, Vardhana and dark blue. Means whatever data is typed inside the chart, it's of font size 11, Vardhana and dark blue. So let me see. I select area, this area. Is this Vardhana? Hmm. Even I can do from home. I just select this data. It should be Vardhana. So overall, in in chart also, I have to do font formatting. So blue size is 11, so I just make them 11. Okay. To apply this to all, you know, data in the blue. Okay, so my entire data in Excel is blue, and I have said the color is also. Now, what I have to see is legend position. Legend is a color code. It is a right side. So this is a color coding at the bottom. It should be at right side. So right side legend. How to move legend? So right click over the legend. Format legend option will come. In format legend, you can go to and choose right or left, whatever you want. Now question comes little differently. What is the next part to do? Data labels. Okay, so data labels, enable data label for the top series only. So we want data should be visible on the top. So how to do that? When you click on the chart, you get this plus button. There is a data label option. Enable it. Okay. It can be done from here. It can be done from format also. Okay. Both ways. So data is visible. Okay. Next is placement. Expand the chart to fit exactly between column G and S. They're asking make it little bigger, column G to till F. So I have to cover this entire area, like this. Something like this. So don't worry. The resizing means they are asking you can fit it. They want to know that we know how to resize the chart or not. That's basic thing. Now, title of the chart, Mars Resource Master Summary. I just put title here. So I have put this title, what the color they want, sky bold, no color they have said, size 18. What was the font? Same font, na? Vardana, Vardana 18. So I have applied this. Now what I have to do? They're asking to save your workbooks. Okay, so I just save it. They're asking me to put this screenshot. So I am taking a screenshot and I'm pasting in my Word file. So here you can see that I have pasted my chart window screenshot also. Okay, so this is like a basic way that how we can do basic Excel skills in assessment and we can achieve good marks. Only thing is that you should be a good reading candidate. Okay.